Hello my beautiful followers. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna work in a different platform. The name is DoorDash. As you can see, DoorDash is a little bit different from Uber Eats and Instacart. For example, this area, as you can see, is in high demand. As you can see, it's in red and it says very busy, $1 per order. What it means is if the delivery is something like $14, so now for you will be 15. So that's the thing, because it's in high demand. And DoorDash is the same thing like Uber. We just have to bring food, also grocery from Loblaws, whatever, a lot of things. It's the same, almost the same thing, but it's different because if we click on, for example, Dash, but I'm gonna fill the car first, and then when lights goes down, so now my beautiful people, I on my way to Oakville. In this app you should go the hotspot in order to receive orders. Now I on my way to the hotspot in DoorDash. Let's go. Our first stop, Horton. What it said, Hortons Josh is the name of this. Hello, I'm gonna grab this order on DoorDash.
What's your number?
Josh I. That's the one. Thank you. Verify. Tenemos que verificar. Yeah, that's the one. Thank you, sir. Tenemos que verificar que toda esa vaina. Verify all of this stuff. Medium. We should take a picture and then take it. Our first order of the day. Can you imagine Tim Horton? That's good. Tim Horton is very famous here. Incredible, no? Doesn't it? Deliver to Josh. Give me direction, please, and then I will bring it to you. But give me some music to start this day. For you are great, you're the miracles so great. There is no one like you. Well, our first orders here coming up in this beautiful home. Okay, Mr. Horton, I'm gonna bring your order today because you deserve it and you are hungry and that's your breakfast and smell like coffee. I know. Up, McDonald. Okay. Okay, let's go McDonald's. Oh, we are hurry. Full time for any time. Whatever.
Digital. Yeah, the UHC, the grills I gotta get used to. Hi, good morning.
Hello. I got Christina. I have an order from DoorDash.
What's the number?
Christina.
Christina.
Now we have the order. McDonald's. So, well, the place is where? Is 7 minutes away from me. So now we're heading toward Danish Pastry House. I don't know what is that, but let's go. Danish Pastry. Where are you? Where are you? I think this is a mall and we will need to go inside. Totally. I'm not half the man I used to be. Now I need a place to hide away. I really like the way Elvis sing the music, like running out. It seems like they don't breathe very well, but he was a masterpiece. He was incredible in doing that, playing that music. Yesterday for the Beatles, incredible band, I can say. The way he's singing that music is incredible. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now we've looked it all, they're here to stay. Oh, I believe. And yesterday. Oh well, to be honest, I really like the version of Elvis when he sings yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Also, I think maybe he sings better than the Beatles, but everybody has their own favorite song artist. Hello. I don't know, but I got one order from DoorDash. I don't know if here. It's a Danish Pastry House. Like DoorDash delivery. Oh, that's weird.
Have you heard anything?
No. Oh, that's incredible. You got it?
Yeah, 2 ham and cheese, 2 chocolate, 2 Copenhagen chocolate, so 6 items. I make it
Yeah.
by the way, okay?
Yeah, that's the one.
Sorry about that. Beat.
Don't worry. I'm lost as well.
Oh, you're good. Thank you so much for coming over.
Sure,
I
yeah.
appreciate that.
Thank you.
And then thank you so much.
Okay. We got the order.
Venus, and still you stand tall.
So now guys, I'm gonna show you how much I earned like for 3 orders I did today. So as you can see, I did 25 just with 3 orders. Just a quick tour through this app, DoorDash. Okay, and it says Mississauga, the city of Mississauga, East. It has very busy. It's very busy right now. And if you take an order, and they will give you $1 extra. And Oakville, Oakville is busy. Oakville is busy. Burlington as well. And what else? What we got here? And yeah, a lot of cities are busy right now. So Toronto is the one that keeps busy all the time. All the time is busy. But if there's an option that you can what is that? Where is that option? Get more. Yeah, here. Yeah, you can choose which vehicle do you wanna use. Before I had this car, I used to do DoorDash in bicycle. I earned some money, but it doesn't have like too much spot for bike. I used to go to Toronto downtown, as you can see Toronto here, and also Scarborough to do some deliveries in bike. I use the bus and TTC, all of those stuff to go there. Yeah, good times. But yeah, as you can see in bike, they don't have really too much space for bike. Just only in Toronto, Scarborough, but Etobicoke no. Gold status. That's my status in DoorDash. I had so much time I didn't use this app. Why I don't use this app? Well, Uber, they are doing a good job. Like for the time you wanna cash out your money. For Uber, I got my physically card. Every time I do an order, they put the money quickly. You don't have to wait like 1 hour, 2 hours, 6 hours to do a cash out instantly. So or maybe another app, I don't know, there's an option they can pay to you weekly, but if you don't want to spend too much time waiting, you can cash out your money in 2 hours, maybe 3 hours or 1 hour. It depends which bank, all of the stuff. But in Uber, that's the best advantage they have. I do an order, and fast as I complete the order, I get the money. So that's why I really like more Uber. I didn't spend too much time in DoorDash for that. But DoorDash is good. I feel like DoorDash has more orders in McDonald's, more orders. Also, they have in grocery store like Loblaws, Fortinos, We Are Canadian, Independence, all of those stuff. But now, yeah, you can see my earnings story. I think this one was when I was in bike. Oh my god, good times. And if you wanna do a cash out, I will show you how to do that. Done. Oh. Oh my god. Too much time. They asking me to change my. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Go. I don't want to waste time. Ah! Cash out. Oh, fast pay. There you go. Fast pay. Pa. As I mentioned, there it is. Add a debit card for fast pay. Get paid sooner for. They will charge you $2 every time you do a cash out. But Uber don't do that. That's the good part. Cash out. I'm gonna cash out at $25 and I'm gonna receive 23. And I think I will receive this thing. It's at 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer. 3 hours, 5 hours. It depends. If you are on weekend, maybe it will be longer. Oh yeah, there you go. I got it. Oh, got it. That's good. Because I got it on time while I was recording. Okay. So sometimes it's fast, sometimes you have to spend 30 minutes, sometimes maybe longer. But one day we can say you can get it. Okay. Thank you, DoorDash. DoorDash is almost the same thing as the others, like Uber. Not Instacart. Instacart is a very kind of different, because Instacart, they specialize just only on grocery stores, but not in restaurants, like picking up meals from restaurant. So Instacart is different. I think also I won't spend too much time doing delivery because I'm transitioning right now.
Oh my god!
I'm transitioning. I'm not gonna do all my life this type of work, you know. It was for the meantime. See you. Thank you for watching. I hope I can. I hope you can. I hope. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say right now, but I hope this video was good for you. Bye bye.